Get ready to supercharge your life with the absolute best tech of 2025 *. We've scoured hundreds of gadgets to bring you the top 5 game changers that truly redefine what's possible, from blazing fast productivity to immersive entertainment. These are the devices you simply can't live without this year, offering mind-blowing innovations that will genuinely surprise you. If you're looking to upgrade, don't miss out. Grab your favorites using the links in the description below. Number 1. The Apple MacBook Air M3 takes ultra-portable computing to an astonishing new level with its unparalleled speed and battery life, making it the perfect companion for creators and professionals on the go. Number 2. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a phone. It's a pocket supercomputer, pushing the boundaries of mobile photography and AI features with its mind-blowing camera system and next-gen processing. Number 3. For health and fitness fanatics, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is a true marvel, offering extreme durability, advanced health metrics, and longer battery life for serious adventurers, making smartwatches smarter than ever. Number 4. Experience audio nirvana with the Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones, boasting industry-leading noise cancellation and breathtaking sound quality that will immerse you completely in your music or podcasts. Number 5. Finally, the PlayStation 5 Pro is here to revolutionize your gaming experience with stunning 8K visuals and lightning-fast load times, delivering cinematic immersion unlike anything you've seen before. These 5 products are not just gadgets. They're essential tools for modern living, delivering performance and innovation that will make your 2025 unforgettable.